Good morning class 3rd, chapter number 2, parts of a plant. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed the structure of a leaf or parts of a leaf. We have discussed also the many parts of a leaf like leaf blade, side vein, main vein and leaf stalk. Student, in this video we will discuss the functions of our leaves or what is the work of leaf. You know, student, which part of a plant is the kitchen of a plant? Yes, student, leaf. Understand? So, and why they are food factories or kitchen of the plant? Yes, because they prepare food for the plant with the help of water, chlorophyll, sunlight and carbon dioxide. And this process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. So the leaves prepare food for the plant with the help of a water, chlorophyll, sunlight and carbon dioxide. Okay, so what is the photosynthesis? This is the process by which leaves prepare food. Okay, now this is the process of the photosynthesis. Now there is a one question, student. The plant, when they prepare food, to how they can they get the water? Yes, the plant absorb water and mineral from the soil, and plant they get the carbon dioxide. How get the carbon dioxide? Yes, student, they get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And you know, we have discussed also chlorophyll is present already in the leaves. That's why there is a green pigment called chlorophyll. That's why the color of the leaves is green, and they get sunlight from the sun. So what is the photosynthesis? The process by which leaves prepare food for the plant with the help of water, chlorophyll, sunlight and carbon dioxide. Understand? Now student, if we talk about the while making food for the plant, you know, the leaves give out oxygen while they make the food. In the process of the photosynthesis, plant gives out oxygen, or you can say that the leaves gives out oxygen. And you know, the living things need oxygen to stay alive. In the process of photosynthesis, the leaves give out oxygen, and this oxygen need to stay alive. And you know, the leaves also help the plant breathe through stomata, because there are tiny pores are present in the lower surface of the leaf. Yeah, we can say that the stomata are present underside of the leaf, and these stomata help the plant breathe. And you know, leaves also store extra food, and they give out, we can say that if we talk about the leaves also store extra food and are eaten as food. Can you give the example of the some leaf that are eaten by us? Yes, student, we eat the leaves of the some plant like spinach, lettuce and cabbage. There are the some leaves that are eaten by us. Cabbage also, lettuce also, and there is another example of the leaves is mint also, coriander also. There are the many leaves that store extra food and are eaten by us. And you know, student, different plants have the different shapes and shades. You can see here the different types of the leaves. You can see different shapes and shapes. So student, you collect the different types of the leaves and draw the outline of the different types of the leaves in notebook also. So you can recognize the different structure of the leaf, because different plants have the different types of the different shapes leaves and different shade is leaves. Understand? So what is the function of the leaf? Leaves prepare for the plant, and while making food for the plant, leaves gives out oxygen, and so living things need oxygen to stay alive. And some leaves also store extra food, and we eat the leaves of the some plant like spinach, lettuce and cabbage, mint also, coriander also. There are the many example of the leaves that are eaten by us. Understand? Now student, we will discuss the next topic is flowers. You can see what is the function of the flowers. Yes student, flower makes the plant beautiful, and it also help in produce the seed. And you can see there are the different shape, size, colors of the flowers, and most flower grows into fruits. So you can you give name these flower? You can give the name of these flowers. First is a sunflower. Yes. And which is this plant? Which is this flower? Yes student, lotus. Okay. Now what is the difference between both two flowers? What is the difference? Okay, now you find out the answer of these two. One questions ki can you name these flowers and how are they different from each other? And in next lecture we will discuss why they are different from each other. One is the sunflower and next is a lotus. Okay student, so find out and read this also and collect the different types of the leaves and draw the outline of the each leaves in notebook. Okay students, take care, bye.